Fatule. May I also say hello to you all and welcome to our recording number 6. And this is number 3 for those who are preparing to go to Samoa. I prepared a list of some vocabulary that we need to know. And also, it's good for those who may not be traveling, but it's good knowledge to know. So, first in our list is malo, which is greetings to you. It's one of the most wonderful words in the world. Malo. If you don't know what to say to anybody, just say malo, and it means hello. It means good job, congratulations, well done. If you come across people working, you say malo nga lui. So you're saying, good job, good on you for working, well done, things like that. Some people will say to you, malo malanga. So it's good to see you being here, completing your journey. And then our next word is fa'amolemole. Fa'amolemole is please. Aumaise tamea ai fa'amolemole. Could you give me some food, please? Fa'afetai, thank you. Thank you very much. Fa'afetai lava. Lava, I would translate lava as indeed. So fa'afetai lava, thank you indeed. Or thank you very much. Leai, no. If I so tolua, do you have a wife or a husband? Leai. Etea onga. Leai. So leai is no. Ioe is yes. And sometimes, we don't say ioe, we just say e. um, Ete fia aise new. Ioe mole mole. Yes, please. Yeah, leai faftai. No, thank you. But e. Mo umana e faisa umeta wa e. O ioe wa uma ona o ai. So mea te tawai, mea tau sami, these are polite terms for have you eaten or food. So when they ask you if you've eaten, wa uma ona faisau mea tau sami, or wa uma ona faisau mea te tawai. These are polite terms that they're using on you because they're asking you a question. And then your answer would be Ioe wa uma ona o ai whawhitai. So eat ai is the term which is common, the common term. In Samoan language, you have to use the most common term on yourself. You don't use the polite terms on yourself, you use it on others. And then we have the word awa. Awa, don't. Um, Awa le whaia le mele nā. Don't do that. Awa e te sau. Don't come. Soia. Soia is stop it. Soia le pisa. Stop making noise. Soia le hoteli. So stop being loud. Ua lava. So ua there. Lava is enough. So when we say lava, ua lava, we're saying it's enough. Ua lava lea, this is enough. Ua lava na, oh, that's enough. It's the same way you use lava, you use enough in English. So when you're fed up with people making noise, you say, hey, that's enough. In Samoan, hey, ua lava. Or if you've had enough, they're giving you things and a lot, they say, Walavalea. Then yes, that means, oh, this is enough. Thank you. Masalo. Masalo is maybe, maybe. So when we say maybe, oh, masalo. Yeah, it's ever no tayo. Masalo. Maybe. Ailonga. Ailonga, probably not. Are you coming back to Samoa next month? Or will you be here next week? Ailonga. Probably not. Tonu. Oh, probably. Will you have time tomorrow? Tonu. Isa Tami, Isa woman no tao. Tonu. Yeah, maybe, probably. I might have some time tomorrow. Tonu, Isa Tami tao. Se iloa. Say law is, we'll find out. We'll find out. Say law, we'll find out. Fei law is to meet. After utato fei law, I am grateful that we have met, or we have come together again. Motinoa, sure. I am sure. Ota motinoa. I'm sure. Ota motinoa na over. I. I'm sure I saw it. Ne'itei, it's two words. Ne'itei, in case. Avelo fa'amalu. Ne'itei watimu. Take your umbrella. It might rain, just in case it rains. Ma'imau. Ma'imau is, I wish. Ma'imau pe ana yai se ta'avale. I wish there was a car. Ma'imau pe ana e vavesau. I wish you came earlier. Mau mau. Mau mau is waste. Mau mau le malosi. A waste of strength. Mau mau le tingaina. A waste of all that effort. Someone spilled the food. Oh, mau mau me ai. What a waste of food. And sometimes ma'imau and mau mau, they're interchangeable. Tama is my father. Father. Olo Tamalea, this is my father, this is my dad. Olo Tinalea, this is my mom, my mother. Tangi is to cry. Say, awa tangi, please don't cry. I say, awa tangi ai, why are you crying? Va'ainga. Va'ainga is the scenery. Mahaneia le va'ainga. Ile Tungaba was a nice scenery today at the boat race. It was a nice scenery on the mountain. Manea yoleba inga ilungo monga. To fa farewell. To fa in Samoan is wisdom. Soifua is life. So basically, tofa literally it's goodbye. But if you really look at the words, it means wisdom and good life to you. Alofatu. Alofatu is my love to you all. Or say hi, hello, regards. Alofatu Yasimi Peasau. Regards to Simi when he returns. Or someone sends regards to for you to take home. You go home. You don't say. They say hello. You say hola e alofa mai. Yes, Sione. Sione said hello, but in our translation is always alofa. La alofa mai Sione. La emomodi mai alofa Susana. Susana sends her love. And that's our video for today. That's video number 6 and number 3 in preparations for Samoa. But our next video will deal with the how the cultural, the etiquettes of being in Samoa. Until then, God bless.